This hearty, healthy, and delicious salad features two Mediterranean favorites, farro and grapes. The nutty whole grains and savory feta cheese combined with the fresh grapes makes this dish a satisfying meal. First, prepare your farro and set aside to cool. Next, we'll prepare the vinaigrette. In a mixing bowl, add the red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and pepper, and mix with a whisk to combine. Slowly drizzle in the olive oil, whisking constantly to form an emulsified vinaigrette. Season to taste and set aside. Now we're going to put our salad together. In a large bowl, combine the farro, red and green California grapes, pistachios, mint, parsley, and arugula. Season with salt and pepper. Toss the ingredients with the vinaigrette, and when combined, gently fold in the feta cheese. There you have it, farro salad with red grapes, pistachios, and feta cheese dressed with a classic red wine vinaigrette. This salad is great served on its own or paired with a sandwich or an entrée. Find this recipe and more on ciaprochef.com/grapes.